ARIA, accessible rich Internet applications. State and properties are used to provide additional information about the current state or properties of HTML elements to improve the accessibility of web content and applications for people with disabilities. Here are some examples of commonly used ARIA states and properties. ARIA states. Aria-checked indicates the current state of a checkbox or radio button, such as checked or unchecked. Aria-selected indicates the current selected state of an item in a list or grid. Aria-expanded indicates whether a collapsible section of content is currently expanded or collapsed. Aria-hidden indicates whether an element is visible or hidden, such as for elements used in a toggle or a modal dialog. ARIA properties. aria-label provides a text alternative for an element, such as a button or an icon, that is not clear from the element's text content. Aria-describedby identifies an element that provides additional information about the current element, such as a tooltip or a description. Aria-valuemin defines the minimum value for a range widget, such as a slider or progress bar. Aria-valuemax defines the maximum value for a range widget, such as a slider or progress bar. Aria-valuenow indicates the current value for a range widget, such as a slider or progress bar. Aria-checked indicates whether a checkbox or radio button is checked, unchecked, or in an indeterminate state. Aria-selected indicates whether an element in a selection list is selected or not. Aria-hidden indicates whether an element should be hidden from screen readers and other assistive technologies. Aria-label provides a label or description for an element, such as an icon or button, that is not clear from the element's text content. Aria-valuemin and aria-valuemax specifies the minimum and maximum values of a range widget, such as a slider or progress bar. Aria-describedby identifies an element that provides additional description or instructions for the current element, such as a tooltip or help text. Aria-checked indicates the current state of a checkbox or radio button. Aria-pressed indicates the current state of a toggle button, such as a play, pause button. Aria-selected indicates the current selected state of an option in a list box or drop-down menu. Aria-hidden indicates that an element is not visible or perceivable to all users. Aria-label provides a text alternative for an element that is not clear from the element's text content. Aria-live indicates that an element should be communicated to the user as it changes dynamically, such as a live chat message or a stock ticker. By using ARIA states and properties in conjunction with ARIA roles and HTML elements, developers can create more accessible and interactive web content and applications for users with disabilities.